We have the Gallagher Mega Anchor gate hanging kit. The gate hanging kit comes complete with all the components to hang a gate. Here we've got the top bracket. It goes over the Gallagher Mega Anchor fence post and supports the gate at the top. Here we've got the bottom bracket. It's got a fully adjustable gudgeon here, and it's also height adjustable here. We've also got the gate latch, just hooks onto the post and then allows you to latch the gate, and it comes complete with all the screws to complete the installation. Yeah, okay, I'll just run through the installation toolkit. Here we've got a jackhammer. When used with the Mega Anchor jackhammer bit, the jackhammer is used to install the piles which makes up the Gallagher fence post kits. The installation can also be done by sledgehammer, by manually hitting the piles into the ground. Other tools you'll need is a 13mm socket or 13mm spanner. The option, you can use a impact driver for the socket. You'll also need a drill to install the screws, 3/8 drill bit, tech screw bit. You'll also need a level to level the post and a tape measure to do some measuring.
Here we're going to fit the Gallagher Mega Anchor gate kits to our stay post. This is the gudgeon bracket which sits on the bottom of the post, which slides around, and we have our bolts that go through the back of the bracket. And our nuts that go on the other side here. We use the same socket we've used through the whole assembly to tighten up those bolts. Then we have the adjustment here where we have 4 holes where we can adjust the height of the gudgeon. We can tighten those up into position because I'm happy with that. Once we've put on the bottom gudgeon, we now go to put the top strap on. That fits around the top there, and we put the bolt through to secure the position. From this point, we need to bring our gate over to fit the top strap. The base of the gate goes on the gudgeon, and the top strap on there with the bolt going through. And tightening that up. Once we've got the adjustment right, we can then put our tech screws in. From here, we just adjust the bottom of the gudgeon here, which slides along this open space. Using a shifter, once the gate height is adjusted on the far end, you can tighten that off, locking it into position. that's locked into position. From here, we have our gate latch, which will go to the far side and install that. The last step is simply applying the gate latch to the post, sliding that over the top to the correct height and fastening it up with our socket. All nice and tight. To complete the installation, we make sure our post caps are on. And we're done.